Up we have, what do we have coming up here now? I'm not too sure. We have, the eyesight wouldn't be great now, you see. That's the problem. Broga. Oh, we have a dance school. Oh, we like the dance schools. They'll always give us a little kind of a jig. If it's Irish, I'm not too sure. It could be rap. It could be rock and roll. It could be country and western. Oh, brush dance. Brush dance. Yes, indeed. We're going to get the brush. And hopefully we're going to get it. Are we going to get a brush dance? We are going to get a brush dance. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is one of the oldest Irish dancing traditions. The brush dance. Oh, look at this. Is going to be. There's big brushes and there's small brushes. This is class. This is going right back now. This is what St. Patrick's Day is all about. Now, watch this. Come on, everyone, big clapping.